Let's take it over to Mike Patton now. He's a head trader at Funder Trading. And Mike, your worst trade really took a turn for the worst.
Well, there's no question which one was the worst. It was AppHarvest. APPH was the symbol. The company actually went bankrupt. It was a lower price stock, so we knew the risk was pretty high. But if it did succeed, there was huge upside potential. However, during the year, they ran into a lot of problems. I know that interest rates and other issues did have a factor to play in that. So in short, they got to a point where they didn't feel like they could continue their operations. And as of right now, essentially the company is defunct.
Let's get your best trade.
All right, the best trade, I had a competition in my mind on this, but I do think, I was thinking it was JP Morgan, but I would say technically Monster MNST was the best trade. I would just judge it by how quickly the stock was able to accelerate after it was identified. So when we looked at that back in April 27th, I think it was, of 2023, the stock was trading somewhere in the low 50s a share, somewhere around like 53 or 54. After that, I was able to quickly move up to about $60 a share. So it wasn't a monumental change in price, but given the amount of time it took, which was about a few weeks, that was an absolutely great move. So hopefully most of the viewers were able to grab that while it was still going.
Those quick pops are thrilling. What is your next trade?
I can tell you what I'm not considering. I'm not considering Meta. I do think that the price is pretty high right now. So I'm going to be looking more at, Google, companies like that. And also on the finance side, definitely going to keep looking at the bigger banks. So JP Morgan still is on my top of the list of financial stocks to keep watching. It's done well since we pointed out earlier this year. And I do think that will still have some upside to come as long as the current financial environment continues. So that's really where my mind's at right now. There will be other stocks I'll consider, but I would say like the financials and the tech sector are the two places where I see the most potential.
Thank you, Mike, for all of your trades today.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.